welcome to another edition of Within the Pixels. My name is Bert Blevins, and today what we're going to be looking at is privilege elevation at the desktop level. So we're going to get right into it here with an example. So we're going to come over here to a server. We're going to launch out into a particular session. Come in here, I'm going to launch with my manual credentials. So we're going to come in with the least amount of privilege, and then we're going to elevate up to that. So come in there, got my username, password in there injected. And then what we're going to do is we're going to open up our session, open up a new tab, give us an MFA prompt here. Now we're in the server. All right, so now what we're going to do here is we're going to come in here and we're going to, we're in as a regular user, so we're going to just verify that for a second. And we can see here the details that no, I'm not elevated at anything. So what we're going to do now is we're going to come over here and we're going to see our little D for Delinea. We're going to right click it, and we're going to say new desktop. And then we're going to say, I need to be a local admin. So we're going to be a local admin for this particular desktop session. So we can do some things like install software or run some applications. So we're going to click on that one. And then click next, which is going to prompt us for MFA again. This could be whatever MFA you want it to be. And now we have an elevated desktop here. We can see that the icon over here on the left-hand side here, our start menu has changed. And we can also come in here to Task Manager and see the details, and we can see that we have many more yeses in our elevated than we did before we ran in the elevated desktop mode. So that's what I wanted to show, and thank you for watching.